I always find these flats boats kind of interesting. Just that they have no freeboard. It's just, I'm surprised they don't all get flooded with water. But our crew, looks like we're good. We're up on the dock. We're good to go. Oh, what are they pushing off for? Oh no, we're sliding back. Oh, my man went forward. Oh no, he's in. He's in the water. And he's scrambling. He's trying to get out of this water as fast as he can. He knows what's in the water down here, obviously. Don't pull the boat in on him, bro. You've got to be careful on this one. I mean, they're pulling the boat into the dock, and it absolutely could injure him if it pinned him against it. But he gets lucky. My man jumps up with the quickness, and that one, that happened fast. That all happened in about 30 seconds. Wow. That was a quick one. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions at the ramp, and today we are at Point Marina. So our crew is starting to make their approach in on the dock, and it looks like we're going to go for the first dock over here by the fillet table. Our captain's got a little help. We've got Wifey on the stern, ready with the lines. Cap's got a pretty solid line. This could be a pretty good setup right here. So he kind of looks back to Wifey like, all right, you ready? You're up, as he's going to have her step up and try and toss these lines. So we're getting close. She looks ready to go. Toss number one. No, we've got the miss. She goes for toss two, misses again. And hubby's looking back at her like, what are you doing, hun, now? Three, oh, it was almost there, right around the rim. And four, she gets it on. But hubby's kind of laughing at her, having a good time with it as she struggled to get that one done. But she's got it. He's going to grab the mid cleat and get it finished up. And our crew's making their approach. They've already backed out twice, though, for some reason. They just haven't liked their approach, and we're going to back out one more time. And they're definitely taking the slow roll, easy approach as they're trying to come in on the dock. So he's going to reset it up, make his approach one more time on this. And we've got one person ready with lines. There's like 3 or 4 other people on the boat. And it looks like we've got somebody in with the stern line as well. So we're good. We got some help. But what? Why is Captain leaving the helm? We've got help. There's no need to leave the helm. He leaves it. He goes to grab a line. And he's looking for the stern line. And oh man, the boat's pulling him. Is he in gear? I guess it's just a heavy boat. But I mean, he almost lost it. The boat almost pulled him down. Kind of went past where the stern cleat was. And man, that was a close one. If Captain would have fallen when he's gotten pulled, that could have been bad. And this is on the other side. And we've got this U-Haul. It's tough to see because the crowd's building again. But the U-Haul's stuck. You can see right there, you see it bouncing, but just another boat stuck down here at Black Point. This is beginning to be like an every other vehicle occurrence, it feels like. I mean, it is absolutely insane the amount of boats we see get loaded onto trailers, people try to pull it out, and they just, no matter what they do, they can't get this thing out. So our guy's going to back it up, maybe it looks like, and try and get a little bit of a running start with it. Or maybe not. Maybe we're just going to hold and see what happens. And that's what we figured would happen. We get the tires spinning. I mean, this truck is screaming for help as he hits the gas. So he gets out of the truck and is going to step back and try and possibly reevaluate the situation. And we've, just to give you an example, we have another one right now doing the same thing. You just heard the tires screeching. It's gotten nuts down here with this. So we're going to throw some people in the back of the U-Haul truck. And Wifey looks a little hesitant to get in even. Oh, and I feel bad. Wifey's wearing a mask. You guys are going to blow her up in the comments, aren't you? Gosh, and I said that, made it even worse probably. There seems to be a little confusion, though. I don't know why they're taking so long to kind of get this one set up and ready to go. So we've got a couple people. He's going to pull the tailgate down, but I don't think that's going to help. You might as well just step over the tailgate. It's probably easier. So we've got 2 people at minimum, it looks like, that are ready to kind of get in the back of the truck, and let's see what happens. Well, at least we've got a third stepping on the scene here as well, so it'll be interesting to see with the extra weight if they can get this off. I'm actually surprised they did this. Typically, when I see the U-Haul truck, we never know what to expect when I start seeing tires spinning. I usually expect this truck to take a swim. I think this crew's going to have a little better shot than that probably if they were aware enough to realize we need to get a little extra weight in the back of the truck. They probably are aware enough to hopefully keep this thing out of the water, but they're still trying to reorganize people. This is definitely one of the most unique ways I've seen people put somebody in the back of the truck to try and get this to work. All right, so we've got 3 people back here. Our driver's giving them instructions. Let's see if this helps at all. I'm not 100% sold on this one. I mean, weight does help. Oh, is our boat going sliding away? Oh, and the guy on the left over here, which was our tube guy from earlier, the boat kind of slid away on him. Somebody's got the bow line, but that boat looked like it was sliding out. So we got Wifey giving the hop in the bed of the truck, but we're still spinning. We're going to get everybody involved, and we're going to get this whole truck jumping. There we go. He's giving it hell. Those tires, I guess this is not his truck, so he doesn't really care. He's like, burn them up. I mean, he's really getting it. Oh, it worked. They got up. They're going to get this thing out of here. Man, he smoked those tires like he didn't own the truck. Oh, yeah, it's because he doesn't. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And, of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.